Hey YouTube, what's up? I went to Home Depot in Auburn. Didn't make a video of that or take a picture of it or put it in the community, but I got a new air hose because this one right here was a 14-inch and it still works. I got it probably about a month or two or so ago. You can see how it's kind of thinner. This one's a 14-inch. So you can find it on here. There we go. See? It worked, it just was a little thin. So I got this one right here. And I was like, oh no, is this still gonna fit the connection? But I fit it and it works. Now I'm gonna turn on the pressure and see how it actually has any leaks. So like I said, there's nothing wrong with this, but I'll keep it for backup or parts. And I also got a new pipe cutter over there because the other one stopped working. So uses a little bit of electricity, but you can see there we go. So this works up to about 300 psi as well. And yeah, so I used my paste sealant, which is made for these kind of things, and I put it in. See, it works. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.